Congratulations on making it this far! Now it's time to put your knowledge to the test with a larger coding assignment. In this project, you will develop a movie watchlist application using JavaScript. This application will allow users to add, edit, and delete movies from their watchlist, mark movies as watched or unwatched, filter the list to view movies based on their watch status, sort the list by various criteria such as title, genre, year, or rating. If you are up for the challenge, start by writing the solution on your own. This will help you build practical coding skills and improve your problem-solving abilities. Remember, there are multiple ways to approach and solve problems in programming, and your solution may differ from the example provided, and that is perfectly okay. If you encounter any problems or need some assistance, don't hesitate to review the example solution provided in the tutorial. Additionally, following along with the tutorial videos can offer useful insights and help you navigate through any challenges you might face. On the next screen, you will find the project requirements. Be sure to read and analyze them thoroughly before you start coding. Understanding these requirements will help you plan and implement your solution effectively.